Challenges. So you mean the stuff that I deal every day?
Yes, that's a problem you deal with every day.
Okay, so jokes apart, so there are three major challenges when I see coming to the adoption of AI. So the first one is lack of clear strategy. So a lot of companies are sitting on the fence, but they want to test AI but not fully bought into it. As a result of that, resources are not being deployed properly. They are trying out their technology without clearly understanding what really they want out of it, and most of the cases, those experiments fail. So what companies need to really do is to have AI as part of their digital strategy, if not AI strategy. Clearly identify the pain points where they want to adapt this particular technology, and most important, set some budget aside for it. I know ChatGPT is free, but any other AI comes with a cost. The second challenge is in terms of the expectations that one should have from AI as a technology. So there are two extreme poles that we see. There is one set of people who feel that AI cannot really add to what they are doing, and the second set of people who expect from AI that if you press a button, you get exactly what you want. But the truth is that it lies somewhere in between. AI can do the work for you, which is repetitive, and then at the end of the day, when it crunches all that information it gives into you, it can only recommend. Ultimate decision needs to be taken by a human. So augmented AI is the way to go. And the third, but probably the biggest one, is other people. People are generally averse to change. They are not always open to try out new ways of doing things. And today there is also a fear that if they adapt AI and make it part of the company, tomorrow they might get replaced by AI. But they need to understand that if you don't adapt AI, AI will not replace you. You will be replaced by someone who knows how to use AI. So you need to understand and identify the right stakeholders like Priti, who can drive the agenda of AI not just internally, but also externally. And for the benefits, maybe I'll let Priti talk about
Just a
that.
very quick one, Preeti. I know we are a bit short of time, but yeah.
Okay, so I'll go back to my Aishas and maybe Ahmed's of the future. These are the consumers who are day in, day out working with the technology. They are evolving every day. I'm sure everybody in the audience is having access to Alexa, Siri, personalized health app, and TikTok, Twitter, Instagram, and every day you are exposed to so much of information and you're updated on a daily basis. So as an innovator, my job is to stay one step ahead of this consumer group and be able to bring back the innovation that would still excite this consumer group. So that is why, by using artificial intelligence tools, number one, I benefit from it by being creative. Number two, having a holistic view, multiple data points in front of me at the same time, and then I apply, as I said, the human intelligence to make sense of that. And finally, efficiency, because in today's Barney world, we can see that speed to the market, efficiency is the key. And I think that's where I will sum up. Creativity, holistic view, and efficiency are my key takeaways as a benefit from AI.
I think Tony, we spoke about this a bit. You want to just add something about that in terms of how speed to market is going to be changing the way you see companies evolving?
I mean, the old days, 20 years ago, where you could have an idea, do focus groups, have stage gates, go to the next stage, and release a product in 18 months and still be relevant, that was okay 20, 30 years ago. Now, 18 weeks is a long time for trends in the market. So compressing that timeline